Welcome then to this video. What we're going to do is show you today how you can quickly get PDFs from a website when you want to download a number of them, say maybe 20, 30 different PDFs, without having to click on them all individually and download them to your computer. So let's get into it.
I need more energy.
Here we are then, basically we're in our browser. We're going to use Chrome, so it's an extension within Chrome that you want to use because it makes things a lot easier. And basically what we're going to do is going to go to this extensions within Chrome. So if you do a search for download them, it'll take you to the extensions page, and then you can pretty much just click on here and you'll be able to add it. Now obviously I've already installed this, so it says remove, but if you haven't installed it, it'll say install the extension into your browser, and it'll then be available for you. All you then need to do is go back to the search engine, go to the website that you want to basically download information from. So I'm going to go to Maths Genie. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to download all these exam papers, so it's far quicker for me to then print them off for the students to use for revision. Now there is only one downside to this. Any documents that are on the page, it will download all of them. So I only really wanted these first section here, but it is actually going to download everything that we have on this list here. So you will need to kind of filter it afterwards, but it's still going to be much quicker than if I was trying to go through and download them all individually, but I'll show you what I mean. So basically once you've gone to this here, you can go up to the top to your extensions. It should be already be installed. So basically you can just click and have it installed. Again, if you want to uninstall it, you can click on this to get rid of it and remove it, or basically turn it off. However, I want to use it, so I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on download them all. That's going to bring up a nice little window for me to use. And basically from that window, what I will then be able to do is decide which ones I want to or what information I want to download from there. So here we go. Brings up the information here. We can then choose, if we want to select the different things that you want. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to click on the PDF documents here, so it'll highlight all those ones that I want with all the different papers. If you wanted to go through, you could select them all individually and select the ones that you want. That way you can pick and choose what you want to download. So you might know which names of the files that you want. So the June series, you might only want the actual exam paper, or you might want the answers, or you might just want the mark scheme. So again, you can pick and choose if you want. Again, that is much quicker if you know exactly what it is that you want. Once you've done that, all you're then going to do is click on the download button. Once you click on that download button, what it will do then is start to download them all. Now, as you can see here, I've got all mine selected that I've downloaded already. It says I've got selected 804 documents, so it downloaded everything at once. So I'd need to go through and filter out the information I don't want. So that selection tool, it can be quite important if you know the ones you want early on. But the bottom line is you can get all of those documents within a few seconds, and it's a really handy tip to use. So hopefully that's been useful. Feel free to like and share it if it's been useful and you want to share it with other people, because it will save you a lot of time if you're trying to find that information. Okay, take care. See you later in the next one.
I need more energy.